What are you doing? What are you doing? You've had too much fun for one day, I think. There's no way a baby should be allowed to have this much fun. Nuh-uh. I don't think so. I don't think so. This is too much fun. Let's get it from this side. It's better light, huh? Giada, how is this allowed to have so much fun like this? That doesn't seem right. We're supposed to be bored. I don't think Mommy's having this much fun at campus visit day. No way. Oops. Are you finally getting worn out? Is that even possible? Is it possible? Oop. Oh, well. And there we go. Okay. I know. I'm sorry. I know. You're probably thinking, Papa, you can solve this. This is going to be the first time I'm going to have to let you down.